They're waiting for you to speak, but you don't know how to start? Let me show you the easy way.
English by Miko.
Hi there. What's your name?
Hi, I'm Alex. What about you?
I'm Emma. Nice to meet you, Alex.
Nice to meet you too, Emma. How do you spell your name?
EMMA. And you?
Alex. Short and simple.
Where are you from?
I'm from Canada. And you?
I'm from Brazil.
Cool. Which city?
São Paulo. What about you?
I'm from Toronto.
Are you a student or do you work?
I'm a student. I study business. You?
I work part-time and study design.
Wow. Nice. How old are you?
I'm 22. And you?
I'm 24.
Do you live near here?
Yes, I live in a dorm near the school. You?
I live with my sister, not too far,
Why are you learning English?
because I want to travel and maybe study abroad. You?
I want to get a better job and speak to more people.
That's a good reason. What's your native language?
French? And yours?
Portuguese.
Do you speak any other languages?
A little Spanish. You?
Only English and French for now.
How long have you been studying English?
Just 3 months. You?
Almost a year. Still learning.
Same here. Do you like learning in a group?
Yes. It helps me practice more. What about you?
Me too. It feels more natural.
All right. Looks like class is starting.
Yeah. Let's learn some English.
Let's go.